Okay, this is, I believe, Chapter 7, Programming Projects, the joys of arrays, and I still hate them. But here are the 3 programs. We'll start with the rainfall. This is the rainfall class. It has my methods. One of my arrays. And here is the main program part of it. Let's run it. Rainfall for month 1. These are probably astronomical numbers for rainfall, but I don't know much about rainfall. After you put in all the numbers for it, it gives you the total, the average for the year, then the highest rainfall, or which month had the highest, and then which month had the least. That is it for that program. Next is larger than n. This one didn't have a class. I put it all into the one part of it. There's my arrays. Another array. I didn't put in any user can't add any numbers to it, but I initialized my array with that set of numbers. I could have put any other numbers in there, but those, the number it picked, or that I picked, was 5, and so it should give me out anything right through there that's higher than 5. I can change those, and it should still give me whatever. Then also, let's run it. So I ran it, and it gave me 6, 7, 8, 9. I changed this to 4. And give me 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Change to 8. Just give me 9. That was it for that one. Now, gradebook. This one was something. Okay, here's my code for the gradebook class. A couple of my arrays. I initialize those. My methods that should give out the letter grade, depending on what the actual score is. And this is the main program itself. 2-dimensional array along with my other variables. Oops, clicked on something. Some of the methods. Try to set the student names. That's where I made it where it shouldn't accept any numbers that are less than 0 or greater than 100. And let's run it. Two. Oops. I named him 45 instead of... Guess I should have been paying more attention, but... Then it gives... gives out the student's name, their grade, and the letter of what they got. And that should be it for Chapter 7.